Yeah, sorry about that last video. I went low battery and it blurted out and just stuck there on low battery. Didn't know if it was recording or not, but it was. Anyway, I'm supposed to be down here in the living room doing drywall repair. I got bored, started thinking about ham radio. Jesus, where to start? I cut this out. This was a switched outlet because there was a switch in the wall here that I removed. Bringing the Sawzall up to cut that, wasn't paying attention, wham, hit this Romex, cut that. So I got to get into the next bay, which is okay because I measured it's actually going to be 4 feet. So this is all tore up, so I'm going to cut this whole section out. So this will be 4 feet by 8 foot sheet right here. So it'll just be one little tape joint here and here, and of course a tape joint right in the middle here. I have to float that out. And then what I'll do is bring it here, put a junction box in there on the inside of here, drop another outlet. Got to do what you got to do. Ham radio, yes. Ham radio. Getting excited about this place. Comes and goes. Upstairs we go. And this is one of the extra bedrooms, the smaller one, the one with the big pocket door. So, so I was showing you that outside wall where they did that shitty staple job. That's right here. Right, see, look, there's that heater duct. The heater duct stops right here on that alcove area. But if you climb up on those rafters, that whole 62-inch area is right here. So I'm gonna bore a hole here. That should go through that plywood we saw down there for 220, another 110, maybe a couple of 2-inch PVC electrical conduit. I'm going to make this like Connection City right here for everything and make it neat. It's nice and neat, so if I do sell the place, nobody will know what it's for. Then I could fish coaxes down to get me down underneath the garage and back out to either the tower or up on the roof. That new sub panel out there in the garage, I have my own dedicated little power center here, Ethernet. I think it'll be cool. So yeah, this will be a combination my office and ham radio room. I didn't like it being upstairs, but it's all right. But I also have something down in the family room, maybe Ethernet connected or SDR play, something like that. And when Valerie wants to talk to me, we can slide the door open here, the pocket door like it is, and do office stuff. We'll just hang out here. You know, if you want to look outside, see who's visiting. Look, I got a bird's eye view of the roof, all the work that needs to be done. You can see the Kubota tractor over there. And just kind of hang out up here on the windowsill, and you can kind of look out and see the driveway. And go see if the drain is backing up, you know, that kind of stuff. I got to get this furniture out of here. Maybe I'll get Chuck over to help me. These desks are heavy. They left them there for a reason because it's so goddamn heavy. But anyway, closed the pocket door. Valerie has her little area or whatever, and you can look out and see outside stuff, right? See someone come and visit you, the street, the neighbors, my truck, the driveway, and a little bit of CQ action going on here. I could see this here. I'll just put my main ham table right here. I have my linear here, 220 dedicated. I want to run a new antenna, do antenna experiments, fish one out there. Maybe I'll even figure out how to put an underground PVC out there. Now that would be a trick. Maybe I'll do that before, well, I don't know. I gotta think about that. But anyway, you got the idea. So I should get downstairs, working on the drywall. I'm looking for excuses not to do drywall. When I get in the mode, I'll get in there. I was gonna do that tonight. Cut this out. I think what I'll do tonight, I did get some junction box stuff, is I'll cut this panel out. Maybe cut it out over there. Maybe I'll screw up a piece of drywall. I have junction box stuff to fix all this. Oh, it's going to get a couple of switches. So I need to move these wires, 3-way switch. I might have to extend this. Yeah, I got a lot of crap to do. But anyhow, that's what's going on the home front. Pulled this hideous carpet that he had glued down here. Come to find out, he has some patchwork here. Why would you patch that with white? I'll have to take a wire brush and clean that one little minor crack. They make concrete colored latex crack sealer for that. I'll fix that. Same with this one. All sidewalks cracked. He could have just used a different color crack sealer. But you know, what are you going to do? While this trench is open, before I decide to do this, one thing I can do, I don't make this video too long. I did bring an extra 1-inch conduit here, right there. I was going to bring power out to it for the front for Christmas lights. But maybe this could be coax. I hate like heck to dig this back up to put another coax, another pipe. Thinking about it, before I covered it up, I should have put another 2-inch conduit. Then I could run a coax out here, because I think if I do slopers, a tower, any of the big HF stuff, all that's going to be out here. So I don't know how easily to get from that radio room out over to here. But you know, I could probably figure something out. Thinking out loud here. But it's a Kubota. Oh, it's doggone rain. So there's the evil carpet that was on the sidewalk. Oh, it was awful. I had to scrape it up with a bucket and pull that out. It was stuck down there so good. Heavy as all get out. It's just nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Well, there you have it. Not a new house, but I'm going to have to learn to love it. Learn to make it mine. I think the roof is going to need replaced sooner than later. It was up in the attic poking around. I've seen all the nails are rusty and stained. Looks like they were leaking at one time, although I don't see any water on any of those nails. So I don't know what caused all those pictures with all those nails with rusty and stain marks on it. It's not giving me a good feeling. But hand radio is. There's the dead battery here. So muddy, pressure wash will fix this. Fix the crack. The door automatically start working now. That door where the hinges kind of stretched and it wouldn't latch and close. I pushed it in, but a month or so ago, but it's starting to close on its own. So light fixture leaves a little bit desired, missing some parts. I got a nice new one to put up there. Mallory wants to put some sort of plants or planter. This is her area. I had to regrade it yesterday because I had an incorrect grade where water was grading, coming down here and flooding out the sidewalk a little bit. I have to build this up and grade it the other way. I got the right machine to do it. Just getting in and out of here is a little difficult without smacking stuff. Every corner in the house I'd hit with that damn tractor. Getting better with it though. But filled the trench up with gravel. Hosed this all down. Man, I put the drain to the test today. Oh boy. This morning. Been here 3 times already. I hosed the heck out of all this mud and water, and the drain just never hooked up. The little filter's down there doing its thing. It's filtering. See it? That's that green stuff all mucked up down there. It's filtering. What I'm really proud of is, let me shut the flashlight off. I don't need it. We're outside here. Is the brick wall. All we are is a brick in the wall. This looks pretty cool. I found this unique cinder block on the side of the house. It had one big hole. You can see where I re-graveled this real nice. And look, I took out, look at the moles are right on. As soon as you dig up dirt here, bam, the moles are on this. I probably pulled out 2 dozen bucket loads, 24 bucket loads of dirt. So what I did was, I tried to reshape this culvert here. I kind of tried to pull it up because there is a culvert here. You see the ditches in the neighbor, and I can't tell if it goes through. I'm assuming that there is, although there's a lot of rocks. I don't think it's been used for a while. So I reshaped this as best I could. But there's the pipes. So I extended one, but I couldn't extend the other one because they're kind of interfering, but that's okay. The one you see sticking out has got a little 6-inch extension, and that's the one for the downspout. And I might need a flashlight here. But look how nice I did this brick wall, and I got that cinder block brick in there. Walk down in here, and then if you look in here, I think, whoa, can you see it? The one for the sewer drain is back in there too. You see it? Yeah, see it in the back there? And it protrudes into the cinder block about 1 inch. So enough for it to run out here, and it was running out earlier. And then I extended the one for the downspout because the way I set the cinder block in there, I didn't catch the back of that enough, and it wasn't laying in the brick. It's okay if it drains behind the brick, but I wanted it to hit the brick. Ooh. This took a lot of work. I put a whole bunch of grass seed down here, so this is all going to get grassed in here. I'll put some more trees in here somehow. But I think that looks pretty doggone bitchin'. I got kind of the built up, it's kind of flat and level there. I've got a little basin. The basin is lower than the pipe. Not a very big basin though, so I'm just hoping that that stays good perk-wise and draining-wise, because this isn't low enough. It's starting to go back uphill here. Wintertime comes and it turns out that this pit here in the center can't take all the water that's coming out of those two drain pipes. I'll get the Kubota in here with the backhoe, try to figure out how to turn it sideways and start cutting into this culvert to make that ditch a little bit lower. So that's that. Grass seed everywhere, molds everywhere. So I need to put maybe another layer of rocks. This is the property line with these posts. I wanted to try to get this built up here so when I put a fence here, a nice wooden fence, that there won't be any void underneath. So if you look, I bent this pole a little bit, but if you look down the row and you see all those fence posts back in there, this rock thing lines about right up to it. So this is level here. Maybe put another layer of rocks. Hopefully it's not too heavy to crush the pipes, but I got a wall. I'm pretty proud of that. There's a lot of freaking work. Anyway, I'm just happy it's working. The ground is real rough. It's not level. I got to get these rocks out of here. I got puddles. I got mud bogs. I just can't work with this rain. I mean, you get one day nice and then 6 days rain, but it's okay. I got the box blade for the tractor when I get time and done with all the inside stuff, carpet, drywall, whatnot, texture, popcorn, and I'll get that back box blade and get my putter on and drive around with that on the tractor, and this will clean up real nice. So there we got it. 12 minutes. See you guys later.